My name is Anjali and we are learning about Google Slide. As for now, we have completed our all the main topics and necessary things, and in our next video we are going to learn about how to share and how to save video and that all. So what we are going to learn today? So today we are going to learn about few smaller things and few things which are not that much important, but yeah, if you are learning Google Slide then you should learn. So we are learning about this view option today and some remaining portion of our slide. So let's start with this view option. As you can see, I have completed my presentation. Now if we click on the view option, you can see slideshow option, which we will discuss in our next session, then motion option. So basically this motion option is the transition one which we learnt in our last video. Then there is a theme builder. If we click on it, you can see the themes and you can build your theme by yourself. Okay, reapply to all theme. You just need to select and you can change the color of the text, color of everything as per your choice. So basically with this theme editor option, you can edit your theme according to your need and according to your choice. You can even also change the theme color, like text and background color is this, so you can make it red, and in the shade of red you can customize everything whatever you want. So yeah, that's how this thing works. Okay, so this is a theme builder option. Let's go back to our slide. For that we just need to click on this cross. Then there is another option which is a grid view. As you can see, my main slide is appearing on this center section, and on the left side there are other slides are appearing in these small boxes. But if you want to see them in a grid view means in this way, then you need to click on this view option and click on the grid view. If you don't want to see in a grid view, then just click it and it will look like a normal. Another option is zooming option. You can zoom your slide as per your need. So fit 81% and how much zoom you want. Then this show ruler option shows you the ruler. I just untick that one, that's why the ruler in. Now I selected it, so the ruler is again we can see here. Then guides, these guides help you. If I click on show guide, as you can see they are showing me the guide, that 4 sections. So this is helpful when you are drawing something, when you are creating any timeline using shapes and lines. So for that thing you can use this guides option. Okay, then snap to, again grid option, snap to grid or guides. Then here is a show speaker notes. Basically this option is for that people who want to record their voice in their slide. So this is for them, and it will show the click to add speaker notes, and you can type your speaker notes here, what you want to say when you are recording your voice in this video. How to record your voice in a Google slide, we will discuss it in our another video. So for right now you just have to remember that this option helps you for that. Let's see this show film strip. So that film strip, the slides which are coming at this part, it called film strip, and when I click right on this it shows, and when I untick it, it gone. Okay, then show comment, and if you want your slide on a full screen, then this full screen option is for you. So that's what about this view option. Then edit option you already know, undo, redo. If you want to paste anything, then this one is for you. Now here you can see the find and replace option. When you click on that, now let's assume you have created a bigger slide, but you have to make some minor changes, like if you have to change some words. Let's assume I want to change my word India, okay, and I want to replace it with Bharat. And when I click on replace all, here you can see it is changed. Here is also, you can see my India became Bharat. So this option in the edit view, find and replace option, is very helpful for you to find any word and to replace it. Okay, then is there anything left? No. If you want to duplicate your slide, then this option is for you, and if you want to delete it, then just click on delete and tada, it's gone. So that's how you can delete your slides also. Then we have completed insert and format option. Here is a slide option. If you want a new slide, then create and the blank page will appear. If you want to duplicate your slide, delete slide. If you want to skip some slide in your presentation, then you can click on this skip slide. So when you slide show, that slide will not appear, this one will not appear. Okay, so let's back. So basically that option is for hiding your slide. Then if you want to move your slide up or down, let's assume I want to move my this slide. So I'll go to the slide option, click on a move slide option, and I want to it up. So the numbering of the slide is changed and it came at the up side. Okay, so that's how this helps. Then background, app layout, transition, editing theme, changing theme, is these options we have already discussed in our previous videos. Then here is another tool, that is arrange tool. Again, you have to select some word and images, and you can arrange their order. You want to bring in front, bring forward. So let's click on bring front. It's in the front. Let's unhide this skip slide option. Now I have selected this, and now I'm going to arrange option. Click on order, bring to front, bring forward, send backward. When I send backward, if you see properly, you can see here click to add title. It means that there is a new thing which I can type in the front of that image. So this arrange option helps you to secure proper order of your elements, your images in the slide. If you want to rotate anything, flip horizontal. Let's select this one, go to the arrange one, order, center on page. If you want it on a center, then rotate, flip vertically. All the letters are in the, they have inverted, so undo it. So that's how the slide options help you. Again the same thing, rotation and all. Then here is a tool theme where you can see the option spelling. So if you click on this spell check option, it will check your spelling and it will show you spelling suggestion if needed. So it said that we don't need any spelling suggestion, so that's why. Then here is a dictionary. If you are creating a document and you have some difficult word and you want to search its another or alternate meaning, you can use this dictionary. You just need to type a word and then press enter, and this dictionary will help you whether it is adjective, noun, and what does it mean. So that's how in this tool you can check your spelling, underline here, create your personal dictionary by adding new words and creating their own meaning. And then at the last, here is the accessibility setting. In this accessibility setting, if you turn on screen reader support, it works with the third party app. It will inform you or it will notify you whenever any other person was trying to. So this accessibility setting is for that thing. Okay, now preference setting. In this setting you will find some basic settings, your what you want. If you want in your presentation that the links you have inserted they should get automatically detected, then click on this. If you don't want that option, then then untick it. Similarly with automatically detect markdown, correct spelling, if I do this, then my system or my Google slide will not be able to correct my spelling error. So it is important for me. Do not change slide, focus on scroll. When we scroll, let's click OK. When we scroll, the slide is changing, right? But now let's see, if we click on this do not change, will it change? No, I am moving my cursor but my slide is not going upside or down. I need to click personally on the each slide to open that slide. So yeah, that's how these tool options, this preference accessibility setting help you to customize your slide according to your need and according to your way. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this course. See you in the next video in which we will learn how to slideshow and share and all that stuff, and after that we will start learning about templates. Until then, bye bye, stay tuned, keep learning.